Good afternoon from Prosser. We stopped at the feed store because we're a little earlier for the appointment for my wife's heart doctor, and my wife wants to look at a little shed. Picked a few things up. Now we're headed to Prosser Hospital for the heart appointment. Okay, we're at the new Prosser Memorial Hospital. Not sure where we're going though. I see. Right, we're done with the doctor appointment and we're headed back towards Yakima. Well, we're now in Union Gap, stopping at Peppermint Stick for some hamburgers. That was a good meal. Now off to the feed store. All right, we're at the co-op now. Get some grain. And we got some all stock and some cracked corn. Got the cart returned, and now we're gonna head on home. Appreciate you hanging out with us today. I'll catch you next time.